Right, welcome back. Hope you're all doing good. It's been a while since we've seen this POV. So either you fall in one or two categories. Either you've seen my videos before and you know the content that I usually create, or you've never seen a video of mine before and this is the first time you've ever seen me. So let me introduce myself to the new people. My name's Adam. I go by Asbo Whips on all social platforms, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. For the most part, I create POV content with my MK7.5 Golf R. Here we go. It's stage 2, full bolt on. It's around 403 brake horsepower. The point of this video is to give you a little bit of an update as to what's happening with the Golf R. So as you can see, I am sat inside the car now. So what that means for people that vaguely know the situation, I claimed through my insurance, the car was written off, I've bought the car back. What does that mean going forward? I'm not going to sell the car for scrap. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try everything in my power to get the vehicle running again and get it back on the road. So then I can create more POV drive content with this car. Further down the line, I'm kind of thinking of raffling the vehicle once it's fixed and roadworthy again, but that's into the future. For the time being, it's focusing more on the logistics of fixing it, seeing whether it is fully viable for me to fix it. The point of this video is just to update you what the channel looks like going forward. So the next series of videos that start coming out will be in relation to me trying to fix the car. Matt Armstrong, watch out. No, I'm only joking. But if anyone's got any questions about anything that happened, any information, obviously if anyone needs any advice with dealing with insurances, because obviously I've done a lot of that over the last 3 months. If you do have questions, feel free to drop a comment, message me directly on the Asbo Whips Instagram or TikTok. But I think that's pretty much it, short and sweet. If you do want a more detailed video like this, comment, let me know. I'm more than happy to go into as much detail as people want, but the purpose of this wasn't to ramble on for too long, it was just to update everyone as to what's happening. So if you know me, now you know more about what the channel looks like going forward. If you don't know me and you like rebuild series, as in particular people that don't know entirely what they're doing trying to rebuild cars, subscribe, follow along. I hope to see you in the next one. Appreciate you.